Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Canara Bank. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is actually making this sort of a good kind of a bullish candle in daily time frame. Okay, this stock has a resistance of this level. Okay, 162 can act as a resistance for this stock, and if you'll watch this closely, we'll find out currently the stock might take a resistance around this level of 157.80 to 150 6 rupees. Okay, 158, 56, 57 may act as a resistance. Currently the stock is trading around 153 rupees. Okay, if you want to invest in this stock, then I would recommend you can invest in this stock. It is not that bad kind of a stock. See, this stock has a previous swing high of around 225. Currently the price is around 152, and if you find this price adequate, then you can indulge in investing in this sort of a stock. Okay, if you'll watch this stock in daily time frame, you will find out that each and every single EMA is turning bullish. Okay, each and every single EMA is turning bullish, and in 15-minute time frame, if you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is stuck in this sort of a channel. Okay, if tomorrow this stock gives a breakout above this level, okay, if it goes to above today's high, okay, in 15-minute time frame, let it open around this region. Okay, let it open around this region, and if it breaks to yesterday's high, you can buy this stock above the high of this candle, which closes above this resistance line. Remember, if any candle does not closes above this 154 rupees, 153 rupees mark, okay, then you should not consider buying this stock, because the stock might fall again. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Canara Bank. If you want to learn how I have done this sort of analysis, you can contact me over Telegram. Okay, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching.